Hi guys. This morning we went on a dog walk. We picked up some coffee on the way. Right now I'm heading over to a photo printing store. We've got some film to develop. This one actually took me a really long time to get through. Maybe like a month or something, so I don't even know what's on there. Yeah, the place that we go to gets it done so fast. I'll probably get it in like an hour.
There's nowhere to climb. What's your story? I'm so ugly. You keep remembering. Shut up. One way to make it stop.
Just got back home, but I already received my film and there's so many cute photos. So cute. I've got so many with Lexi. Oh boy. I got a new toy for Peaches. Oh, that's so exciting! Oh my gosh! No, don't take. Excuse the messy-ish kitchen. Let's see what's worth hauling. I got some treats for Peaches, some bully sticks, her personal favorite. I got her another toy. This one feels really durable, so hopefully it'll last. Some training treats, salmon recipe. I really wanted to pick up another board game, and this is called Super Fight, a game of absurd arguments. I remember having a really good time playing this game, so I wanted to pick it up. I got a toothbrush because the toothbrush that we have at the beach house is just one that my dentist gave me, so I wanted something electric, and this one, similar to Quip, has like removable heads, so I just wanted to try this brand and compare them. 3D white whitening toothpaste, some deodorant. I've been meaning to pick up more water bowls for Peaches to have upstairs because right now we just keep using glass bowls. The battery died, my bad. How cute are these colors? And also they're perfect because this one totally matches with my office, literally like the color of my walls. And this is also basically what the color of our wall is gonna look like in a guest room. So that, I mean, pretty great. Whew. Oh, that hit. Whoa! I suck. Oh, we have some whitening mouthwash. As you guys might notice, I'm trying to get back on a whitening kick. Right now I've been using the Flamingo razor, so I just got some like refill cartridge refills. I don't know why, but I bought some lashes. These looked very interesting to me. So the first one, these are from Ardell, but they're like DIY eyelash extensions. Lasts up to 2 weeks. There's an adhesive and remover, and they're just little pieces. I don't know, I kind of want to try that. Is this dangerous? Is it safe? I don't know. Also, I picked up 2 little packs from Eyelash London. I grabbed them because of how natural they look. These look a little bit more bold. When the strip is too thick, it looks like you're wearing eyeliner, and sometimes like if it's not perfect or symmetrical, you can really tell. Like I just think it's so much easier to use lashes like these, so I got them. We've been needing new face towels for our master bathroom because for starters, whatever Phineas is putting on his face has been bleaching the dye on the towels. Like we have navy blue ones and they're turning like light pink and purple from whatever active ingredient. I picked up some yellow ones because also the tiles are yellow in that bathroom, so I just want to switch it up, and I just got 4, and then I also got 2 turquoise ones for my office bathroom. Everything else is too boring to show. This already questionably got a little bit boring, so that's it. I am currently getting ready for the day. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on. Right now I have nothing, I just washed my face. If you guys watched my last vlog and you remember the little backyard shoot that I had with Herbivore, first of all, we received the photos. There's so many of them. Hold on real quick, I need to show you guys. Has Peaches ever looked cuter? This entire shoot was so cute. Are we America's sweetheart? That entire shoot happened in celebration of their newest launch, which is their Cloud Jelly Plumping Hydration Serum. So this one I'm pulling out of the box to show you guys. I have been using this for over a month now. It is well within my skincare routine. I absolutely love this serum in general. Their oils, their serums, their rollers. Oh my gosh, I have an entire face rolling morning routine and situation that I do every single night. I was so excited to be one of the first people to try this serum and just to be able to be a part of this campaign. Everything about this serum is made to hydrate your face, plump it, really targeting with the dullness and dryness of your skin and just leaving you with really bouncy skin. So because of that, you can use this either in the morning or at nighttime. I like to use it in the morning. I'm just gonna apply some right now. It's super lightweight. And just like, oh, it glides over the skin. It's so nice. There's nothing like sticky or oily about this. I like bringing it down to the neck as well. It's already sinking in. It's already doing its thing. The reason why I like to use this in the morning is because it's really great under makeup. So after this, I will of course put some SPF on, but let me give you guys some of the tea. It literally says a non-sticky hydration serum. The key ingredients in this serum, they have tremolo mushroom. It's a jelly textured superfood with the ability to hold up to 500 times its weight in water. So this is really what's bringing in a lot of that hydration. It's also got vegan collagen, strawberry extract containing vitamin C. If you guys want to try out the Herbivore Cloud Jelly Serum, I will obviously have it linked down below. You can either purchase it from their site or it's also available at Sephora. Everything will be linked down there, and thank you so much, Herbivore, for working with me. As the world is slowly opening back up, it was so special and exciting to work with them at this extent and really get to see faces and talk to them and meet the team, and everyone's just so kind, and I have been such a fan of Herbivore for so long, so I'm just so grateful. I'm terrified, but we're gonna try out these DIY eyelash extensions. Place over natural lash close to the lash line without touching eyelid. There seems to be different lengths. I definitely want to use the short ones as much as possible. I'm curling my eyelashes real quick. This is so hard. This is going terribly. Update, we're kind of getting somewhere. It's taking a lot of patience and I'm very frustrated and annoyed. Honestly, you guys, not that bad. Damn. I was being super conservative with the glue and not using enough, so the glue kept drying really fast on my little piece of tape. Keep replacing the glue because it gets really tacky really fast, and it's best when it's at its most wet. Today we are touring a house for fun. It's been one of our like innocent COVID safe hobbies that we've had the pleasure of doing just a few times throughout this past year. We have a very strong, loving, and committed friendship with our realtor Tori. She's just the best, so quite often she'll be repping a house and she'll ask us to stop by, obviously with our masks and everything, and just admire the architecture, because Los Angeles contains so many beautiful styles and so many beautiful properties and layouts, and we just geek out over it. So anytime we get to just stop by and do like a private showing, just see what's out there and sort of like, I don't know, I think our favorite thing to do is sort of play dream life and imagine, you know, what would we do in this room and what would the bedroom be? And yeah, it's just a very fun thing to do in this city. In general, I've always been a fan of open houses and just being able to like see what's on the market. I'm stalking Zillow all the time. I don't know. I don't know. Some people have Pokemon cards, others have favorite homes on Zillow. My favorites page on my Zillow account, if anyone is curious about the state of Phineas's studio. Heat blasting, removing the moisture and any possible mold growth. Wow. Damn, they ripped out the flooring here too. That's crazy. Sometimes your lunch is leftover pizza on a Christmas plate, you know? Going into the microwave. Editing Claudia here, just to give you guys a quick update on the lashes. They made it through the night for the most part. I posted them on my Instagram story and I was reading a lot of your guys' DMs. A handful of you guys have tried these out and said that they ripped out your eyelashes. I'm super delicate with these sorts of things. Like when you wash your face, you can't do this, you gotta go like that. And also I'm just gonna really let them like run their course and not prematurely take them off. You know, maybe like they weren't using the remover correctly or something. Like I feel like you're really supposed to like soak them, maybe oil will do really well. Anyways, I'm not really concerned, and I'm so low maintenance with this sort of stuff. So if I have crazy lashes in like 5 days for a week, that's right with me. We're trying it out. Well, thank you guys for watching today's video. This week and these last few days, what is this weird sun? I have spent most of my time just working on the computer, which is just not worth vlogging. I hope you guys enjoyed this little at-home vlog, and I will see you guys for a new video next week. Bye!